Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mailchimp for LinkedIn audience building, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Mailchimp for LinkedIn audience building, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once you are logged in, go to the dashboard. Look for the Audience tab on the left-hand menu. Click on All Audiences to view your existing audiences. If you need to create a new audience, click on Create Audience. Fill in the required information, such as audience name and default email. After your audience is set up, navigate to the Integrations section. Search for LinkedIn in the Integrations list. Click on the LinkedIn integration to start the connection process. You will be prompted to sign into your LinkedIn account. Authorize Mailchimp to access your LinkedIn profile. After authorization, select the audience you want to connect with LinkedIn. Choose the list to which you would like to add LinkedIn contacts. Once you have made your selections, confirm the connection. Now return to your audience dashboard in Mailchimp. Click on Sign Up Forms under your audience settings. Select Embedded Forms if you prefer to collect links directly. Copy the generated HTML code for the embedded form. Next, head to your LinkedIn profile or company page. Go to the About section or the area where you can update your profile content. Paste the HTML form link where you want it displayed. Save your changes to ensure the form is visible to your audience. Now you can start attracting visitors from LinkedIn to your Mailchimp audience. Monitor your audience growth from the Mailchimp dashboard periodically. Make adjustments and optimize your LinkedIn strategy based on the responses you receive. Enjoy building a strong audience using Mailchimp and LinkedIn together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.